Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Mahogany Glow, back with another video. Okay, so thanks for watching. Today we're going to talk about my travel bag collection. Okay, what bags I use when I'm traveling. I've been traveling a lot lately. I love to travel actually, so I figured I would show you guys what I use since I'm showing you my travel vlogs. Also, I really think traveling is my passion. I get so happy when it's time to travel. I just love meeting new people, trying new things. I've been told I'm adventurous, go figure, okay? And I just like trying new food and cultures. I love the whole thing. A brand new vibe and a new landscape, you know, a beach, a mountain. I love all the things, okay? So, with all of that being said, that's why I like to show my travel vlogs and also my travel bags so that you guys can come along with me and know what I'm using and where I'm going, okay? So, let's get started with subscribing, okay? I need y'all to subscribe. Go ahead down there and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Also, I will include my social media links so that you guys can go ahead and follow me as well on my social media platforms. Thank you. Keep up with Mahogany Glow. And with all that being said, let's get started. So first of all, I want to show y'all my outfit, okay? I put on this outfit because this is an outfit that I would actually travel in, okay? I would travel in this outfit. I like to pick stuff that's cute and comfortable. Comfortable being the #1 priority, basically. So I try to, you know, do a little something, something. Okay, this is just like a 2-piece athletic set. I have on just some gym shoes here. And my most comfortable gym shoes, by the way. Okay, and then I just, you know, jazzed up, put them some earrings and whatnot. And then that's about it, okay? Nothing much, nothing major, but, you know, we're going to give pizzazz, okay? We're going to give pizzazz even at the airport. So we at least won't look tired. We don't look how we feel, okay? That's #1. Okay, so with all that being said, I'll go ahead and leave some links below in the description of product suggestions as I go through some of these bags, you know, my outfit, cute, comfortable outfits, some of the accessories. I'll leave those product links below, okay? So let's get started with our bag. I got a whole fleet here. So let's start with Big Mama right here. This Big Mama. Okay, this is my largest checked bag, okay? And because of the size of this bag, it has to be checked. It does not fit the dimensions of a carry-on, obviously, okay? This is just huge. I don't really use this bag as often just because it's so big. I really have to be going somewhere. Like when I was travel nursing, I would use this bag. But other than that, because I would be gone for an extended period of time. But other than that, I try not to pack this much stuff because the problem is if you only have 50 pounds to work with, by the time you pack this, like fill this thing up, it's already like 60 pounds. I just try not to use this bag as much unless I really, really have to, okay? Because I will overpack. Again, reformed overpacker, okay? So I try to do things to help myself not overpack. So next is, this is the medium version of the same luggage. What I like about both of these luggages, actually they're the exact same, except this one's just smaller. I like to have compartments in my luggage. So, you know, the inside has compartments. Both of these are 360-degree wheels, okay? They call them 360 wheels, and meaning that you can turn them in a circle. I do a lot of solo travel, so therefore I have to be able to get through the airport efficiently, okay? So I do everything I can to make this process as smooth as possible, okay? These are my 2 carry-on luggages, actually, okay? These cute little carry-ons, they're so cute. So the purple one, I actually got these separate from the larger luggages. There actually is a smaller luggage of this one. It's a carry-on as well. I don't ever use it because I like the hard-sided, and I'm gonna tell you why. I got hard-sided luggages because when you have a carry-on bag, it must be a certain size, okay? Now you know how like you check your bag and it's overweight, over the 50 pounds, you just pay the money. No, with this, if it's not the right size, you have to check it. That's why I got the hard-sided luggage, because you really can't overstuff this. If you overstuff it, you can't close it. So you already know it's a wrap. If you can't close it, then you got to take something out. Versus the soft-sided luggage. Okay, so here's the soft-sided luggage, but I don't use it because it expands too much if I overpack it, and then it is no longer a carry-on bag, okay? And they have called me out on that before. On top of the fact that the hard-sided luggages are more durable, right? The only other thing is that I have luggage tags that I always put on my luggage, whether it be checked or carry-on, don't really matter. I always tag my luggage. I always put a lock on my luggage, carry-on and checked. Now, the difference here is that I have a lock. I actually have a lock on this one that I bought. Now, with this luggage, it has its own locking mechanism. So it has a lock on the side, and you just slide the zipper tab into the lock. And so it has a built-in lock itself. So the purple one, I use to death. So yeah, I'm surprised she is still looking okay. She's a little banged up, but she's looking okay. Okay, y'all, let's move on to the next thing. So let's go into the cabinet. Let's pull out one of my babies that I like to use a lot. Okay, y'all probably seen her a lot. If you've been watching my channel, again, do not subscribe. You need to, because that means if you have not been seeing this, that means you've been watching my channel, okay? So this is my Louis Vuitton Keepall 45 in Monogram Macassar. That's what they call it on the website. So one thing, let me just point out before the obvious, okay, before y'all tell me. This is a laptop bag strap that I added. I took off the strap myself. The other strap is a leather strap. But I'm going to show you why I don't use this strap and why I replaced the strap, okay? Because when I'm moving around, all of my luggage has to kind of be condensed. I'm rolling through the airport and I'm getting through there. So I need it to be convenient and efficient. So I do have an organizer in here. So I usually do use my organizer. But most of the time, I use my Keepall 45 for my electronics, like my laptop, my iPad, my speaker usually goes in here, my cords, I usually keep in a little cord pouch. That's what I tend to use this bag for. I like this bag. I would like a bigger size. The only problem is that this bag does fit under the seat. To me, barely, okay? For me, this barely fits under the seat, okay? It does stick out a little bit. Nobody has called me out on that, but not a whole lot of foot room once you put it under there though. So that's the only problem with this. I do like taking this bag, but this one does have the space that I like to use. Okay, so I could wear her like this, you know. There's not a whole lot in here, so it's a little flat, but okay, so I could wear her like this. I don't ever wear this like this, I'm telling you, through the airport, because this becomes heavy once you start putting stuff in there. So let me just show y'all while I'm talking about it what I normally do. I take this bag and put it on top of here. And if you get the length of the strap right, your bag won't move around a whole lot. You know, it'll be taut. And I just take the computer strap, because it's real pliable. I think it's like what nylon maybe this is. And then I just wrap it around like that. And I roll to the airport. I'm going to the gate, the Sky Lounge, one of the airport lounges, okay? I'm out of there. All right, so next, this bag is actually near and dear to me because a family member gave this to me, okay? And I love her for that, okay? Just for thinking about me. And so this is a replica, okay? But just the fact that she thought about me, that really kind of touched my heart, and I love her. So this right here was a gift, so I do use this bag, okay? I just have to get another strap for it. It actually, it's a pretty good size. I would say this is a dupe for the Keepall 60. When I looked at the measurements by my, okay, girl math calculations. But yes, I do use this bag. Once I get to replace the strap, I'll probably use it a little bit more, but it's huge. It holds everything, probably more so for a road trip, because I can't see myself checking this bag that I've never taken on the plane. It's special to me because someone gave it to me and I love her. Okay, so we're talking about duffel bags. So my next duffel bag is my Glamaholic duffel bag. This one is the black with the pink interior. Okay, you can see the pink interior. And this one is pretty large as well. Now, officially, I don't know if this fits under the seat. I've never tried it. I actually don't usually take this one. If I'm flying, I would do road trip, or if I just need a duffel bag, like overnight bag or something like that, I'll use this one. But I don't usually fly with it because I believe that it's actually too long. And I say that because I know that this Keepall, it barely fits under the seat, and this is so much longer than that. I don't want any problems at the airport, okay? That's my thing. So I try to follow all the rules so it's smooth as possible. I don't try to finagle any sizes and all of that, because once I get dropped off at the airport, then what we doing, okay? We're not taking bags back and emptying out bags and switching bags. It's over with. So I try to do what I need to do in the beginning. I actually like this. This is like almost like a gym bag, it looks like to me. You know, or like if you was just, you know, like how I look like I'm going to work out, or I look like I'm going to maybe like dance practice. Now, this is my Glamaholic backpack. This is the all black backpack. The reason why I use this bag is because I don't have any book bags or backpacks that have the trolley sleeve, I call it. I call it a trolley sleeve. It's convenient to travel with because of this sleeve, yes. It's a smaller backpack, so the only problem is that this is considered a personal item, so it's smaller than like the Keepall, so it don't hold as much. So I kind of have to plan for that, right? So that means if I'm going carry-on only, most of my items are gonna have to go into the actual luggage. This would probably fit like a laptop, iPad, a couple like snacks or whatever, but it's not that big, but it's very convenient. So I just put this one on the back like this, okay? And we out of there, okay? This is very lightweight, so that's why I like to use this backpack. And it's cute, okay? I think the size of the visit is real cute. Now, the last category for me to talk about is tote bags, okay? So I have a Glamaholic tote bag. I'm not judge her because I've used her to death. So this is my Glamaholic monogrammed tote bag, and it actually has a pink interior. Okay, so it matches the duffel bag with the pink interior. So this bag, I did look up the dimensions. This would be similar to the size of a Louis Vuitton Neverfull. The GM size, this one might be a little shorter. I'm just trying to give you a size reference, okay? So I like this bag for what it is. It carries a whole lot, okay? You can get in and out of it very easily. My biggest problem I have with tote bags is trying to get through the airport with a tote bag. The tote bag doesn't really sit up on top of the luggage as neatly, so it does potentially want to fall over, okay? Wants to fall around or whatever, right? That's quite annoying, so I don't tend to take this with me. And again, I do a lot of solo travel, so for me, it's kind of like I am on my own, so I'm maneuvering all of this, so I have to think of ways to make it more convenient. I could carry it like this, and we can go like this. But again, my shoulder, by the time I put stuff in here, my shoulder is definitely needing some relief, and therefore, I could do this temporarily. I just have to kind of be very careful about how I maneuver this bag, hitting bumps and everything, because I'm telling you, this bag will just slide right on around. So it's not the most convenient idea, but I love the fact that you can, put so many things in here. Usually I'll take my sweater. This is my travel sweater that I like to take with me, by the time I put stuff in there, that I could just, lay this on top, So it's open, and so therefore I could put more stuff in it, if that makes more sense. It's not restricted as much, so it's kind of like an open bag that can take a lot of stuff. Now, if you got extra hands, you got extra help, you got a husband, a boyfriend, a son, or anybody, okay, that's helping you with your bags, by all means, bring what you want to bring. But I'm telling you, if you have a lot of bags, sometimes I have a check and a carry-on bag, this is not a convenient bag for me. So I just need to be hands-free. I don't need bags falling off of each other. I need convenience. And this cute little number right here, I actually really love this tote bag. It's like a crocodile type of print. And this is a tote bag. And it is a little bit taller than the other. Okay, so a little bit taller. And maybe a little bit more squared off. Okay, it's not as long this way. Again, same problem. If I take this luggage and start wrapping this around, it sits up there pretty good. Like this actually looks pretty good. I've actually never taken this one, only because it's a little bit taller than the other one. And as far as fitting under this airplane seat, and I don't want to the wear and tear. I don't want to put the wear and tear on this tote bag. So I try not to really take this one, but this one is actually probably more so good for a road trip, I would say. I think I have taken this one on a road trip. And again, it's easy in and out. If you need your iPad real quick, you need your sweater, your sunglasses, your snacks. That's what I like about tote bags. More so, not for flying, for me at least. More so for like a road trip, or if I just need to take a bunch of items, maybe I'm taking my laptop or whatnot to a meeting, I would take this bag. Okay, so the last thing, let's talk about a few accessories. So there are a handful of things that I want to just give you examples of what I like to make sure that I have when I'm traveling, okay? One of those things is a sweater. This is like a shawl, and what I like about this, okay, it might give a little auntie effect. That's fine. I'm gonna be warm though. So what I like about this is I can go ahead and drape this as a part of my outfit, you know, maybe, you know, I want this as part of my outfit. Okay. Or I could take her off and, you know, lay her across my luggage. Now, what I like about this is that this is kind of doubles as a blanket, I feel like. So it's a shawl, like a sweater. Once I get to my seat, you know, I could just cover myself up. I could take this off and put it over myself, you know, kind of like this, like a blanket. So that's why I like these shawls, these type of shawls. And it does zip up in the front if I want to be extra cozy, like a sleeping bag. And then it's easy to like carry around. So let me show you one thing, okay? This is what I normally look like, okay? So this is your girl getting down through the airport, okay? This is me. Okay, my auntie shawl. We get down through there, okay? Now the other thing I like to do with this shawl is just do this. If I'm not wearing it, because when you get down through the airport, you might get a little hot, a little overheated. So I just take this, kind of stick it in between there, and then I go about my way. So this is what I need. I need for all of my bags, everything to be able to stack so that all I'm doing is moving one unit. And I'm not carrying and rolling. I can't, me personally, that's not how I travel, okay? Because that's too much work, especially if I'm by myself. So this is my Dopp kit. I put my toiletries in here. I like to have travel size toiletries that I use exclusively for traveling. So anything in here, you know, for the most part, anything in here, I leave in this bag for traveling. Anything that I'm using every day, I leave out there in the bathroom, the closet, or whatever. It's for the house. I don't pack the house stuff into the travel bag. So I keep this packed already. I always take my travel neck fan. The other thing that I use is a luggage scale. So you would only be weighing your check bag. So you hook it on like this, and then you literally, okay, get you a sumo squat going. And you pick it up and you weigh. So there it is, 9.7 pounds. You can change it to kilograms too. I'll link one of these down there for y'all too, okay? I like to take a small strip cord with me because some hotels don't have enough outlets in the rooms. Some of the more updated hotels do have like the USB plugs. They trying, okay? But some of the old school hotels, I need more plugs in that. Let me tell you, all these electronics. And last but not least, I make sure I bring my neck pillows. Go blue. But I like this neck pillow. This is just a straightforward neck pillow. Okay, it's nice and firm like I need it to be. So I'm telling you, I just keep building on it. And I just hang it on there like that. And we good to go. Now, see, what else can we hang on here? Okay, I'm telling you, this is what I do. So I'm not carrying a bunch of stuff. It's a wrap. This is my other neck pillow. It is a fold up neck pillow. So it's actually rolled in there. And it's a pretty sturdy neck pillow. I like to take it, same thing, snap it on and let it hang off. Now I won't have both obviously, but this is what I do. This one is actually more convenient as well because it's more compact, you know. So y'all, let me put my sunglasses back on, okay? So now that we've gone through all of my travel bags, okay, I feel good about it. How y'all feeling about it? Okay, if you have any questions about any bag, so let me know, guys, if there's something I can help y'all with. Let me know if you want me to do a detailed review of any of these bags. So, okay, if I have somewhere to go, we'd be out of here, okay? Thanks for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Go ahead, make sure you subscribe. I will make sure that I put the links below for you guys for the products that I mentioned today. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye. Happy travels. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Mahogany_Glow. And that's Mahogany with an E at the end. On TikTok, Mahogany_Glow. Facebook, Mahogany Glow. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much.